Yeah, what's up, guys? So we are currently up by 63% in profits on our Solana position. This trade was actually shared for free on our WhatsApp channel. This was on Thursday, right? And as you can see over here, it's a free Bybit signal. This is our TP, and this was our stop loss over here. So and I actually added, this was in my initial position, then I added more position yesterday, and as you can see, this was the trade over here still going on. So guys, if you want to take this signal and also trade with us on Bybit, make sure to check the link below this video so you can sign up on Bybit. Now this is the setup over here currently running on the charts, as you can clearly see over here. So basically, one of the reason why I sold Solana at this level. Number one, remember I told you guys something that BTC were unable to get past. Don't worry, guys. I'm still going to break down BTC for you guys. I'm actually in a short position on BTC as well. Now I told you guys that if we are unable to get past this particular level, then we might start to anticipate the markets to reverse. But as long as we are below this level, we are still going to keep going down. All right. So well, that was one of the reasons. Another reason was that Solana was technically well placed for a sell, because if you take a look at these zones, take a look at these zones over here, right? Take a look at this zone over here. You can see that we had a sell zone at this level, right? We also have a very clean, neat points of interest, a supply zone over here as well, and that was why we sold from this level. And the confirmation was actually a 1 hour confirmation. When zooming into this area, you see certain candlesticks pattern information that will make you to know that okay, the market is about to sell. So that's why we sold. Now let's talk about BTC. What we're expecting from BTC in the coming days. Now there's really nothing much different from the previous video we did about BTC. It is still almost the same thing. This level remains to be my key level, though I still have this level as a sell level. Now, the reason I say that is because of this strong FEG over here. Now, that means that if it happens to be that, okay, price does not push down from this level, right? If it happens to be that price does not push down from that level, then we'll see BTC maybe, rejecting from this level, then going upwards. Then this area might just be another point where we can see BTC sell from. So that's why I still have this area as another point of interest. All right. So right now, BTC is still very, very bearish. I don't really see there are no sign of reversal yet. If you are to map our trend line, you see that we are still currently below all the two major bearish trend lines, as you can see over here. So there's really nothing bullish about the market. The only thing that will make me to say that okay, maybe you want to see some kind of push up this month is if we start to see the market react very strong at this level. All right. Let's say for example BTC comes down. So for example, BTC comes down to this level because this is a clear demand zone, right? So let's say we see a reaction over there and price starts to go up, then fails to sell from this other point of interest, then break this trend line retest. That is when I will say, okay, maybe I want to see some kind of retracement, all right, for this month. But even at that, now there is still a larger structure, all right, it's a larger structure somewhere around this area. And if we were to consider that structure, even if we see that retracement, guys, this area is going to be like the next big structure. All right, to look out for BTC to, let's say, do something like this, then go up, then sell from that level. As you can see, rejecting from these other major trend lines. So we really need to see the market break out of this entire trend line. All right, then before we confirm that okay, the reversal is now there. But in the meantime, this is the movement I'm still expecting from BTC. So guys, make sure you do sign up with Bybit so that you can hop in into similar trades with the rest for free. Take care, guys, and do have a lovely week ahead. Bye.